Hi everybody, I'm going to explain about Verbal Evaluation 1. Check the guideline. You will be divided into two groups, Group 1 and Group 2. Verbal Evaluation 1 Part 1 is for Group 1. Verbal Evaluation 1 Part 2 is for Group 2. Please check the PDF file to see your group and your number in Scalsa, or ask your lecturer. The topics or questions have been chosen by the lecturer, and you have to answer the question based on your experience or your idea, not from the internet. But you may use Google Translate. See the example. There are two groups, Group 1 and Group 2. So, students whose number is 1 will get a question number 1. And then students whose number is 5 will get a question number 5. Let me give you examples. Jack and Taylor. So they have to answer a question number 1. And then Hans and Ahmed. They have to answer a question number 5. And so on. These are the topics: present perfect versus past simple, and degree of comparison, including similarity, comparative, and superlative. These are the questions. Check them out. Okay, those are the questions. If you're still confused, then you can ask me. Now we move to the next slide. How to do? First, check your question. You've got question number 1, number 2, 3, or 10. Then answer the question. You can write your answers on a paper. This is just to make it easier. After that, create a video by showing your face with the duration minimum 3 minutes, including opening or introduction and closing. Then save your file as MP4 file with the file name ve1.c2.cat. VE1 Verbal Evaluation 1, C2 is the class, cat is the name of the student. And finally, submit your video link to Scalsa, Verbal Evaluation 1 Part 1 or Part 2. Remember, when you are in Group 1, you have to submit your video link to Verbal Evaluation 1 Part 1. If you are Group 2, then submit your work in Verbal Evaluation 1 Part 2. Is that clear? That's all. Feel free to ask. Thank you, and once again, do your best.